Ever wondered just how amazing the human body truly is? It's a marvel of nature, a complex machine designed for survival, full of surprising abilities and facts that often go unnoticed. Let's start with the strength of human hair. Did you know a single strand of hair can hold up to 3 ounces? That's about the weight of 2 full-sized chocolate bars. And what about the speed of a sneeze? It's not something you'd usually associate with speed, but a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, faster than a cheetah. Now let's talk about bacteria. Our bodies are home to around 100 trillion bacteria. That's more than the number of stars in our galaxy. Ever marveled at the power of the human brain? It's more powerful than the world's best supercomputers. And finally, the miles of blood vessels in our body could circle the Earth more than twice. Hard to believe, right? But it's all true. Still not amazed? Here are more mind-blowing human facts. Let's begin with the sheer number of cells that make up our bodies. Can you guess how many there are? It's a staggering 37 trillion. Yes, you heard it right. 37 trillion cells, all working together to keep us alive and functioning. Now, how about the amount of saliva we produce in a lifetime? It may sound trivial, but did you know that an average person produces enough saliva to fill 2 swimming pools in their lifetime? That's right, our bodies are constantly working, even in ways we don't often think about. Let's move on to something that's always at the heart of the matter. Our hearts, these tireless workers, beat about 100,000 times in just one day. That's more than 36 million times in a year. The heart's relentless beating is what keeps the blood flowing and us going. But what about our brains? They are the control towers of our bodies, but how much can they really handle? Well, it's estimated that the human brain has the capacity to store the equivalent of about 1 million gigabytes of information. That's more than 5,000 times the information stored in the entire printed collection of the US Library of Congress. Lastly, let's talk about something we've all done but probably never thought much about: coughing. When we cough, the air can rush out of our lungs at speeds up to 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most urban speed limits. And remember, these are just a few of the millions of unbelievable facts about the human body. Enjoying these facts so far? If you are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got a treasure trove of fascinating content just waiting for you. Trust us, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned for even more unbelievable human facts. Ready for more? Let's dive back in. Did you know that the strength of a human bite is comparable to the pressure exerted by a bowling ball on the ground? That's a whopping 170 pounds per square inch. On a lighter note, let's talk taste. Our tongues are home to approximately 10,000 taste buds, each one a tiny universe of flavor detection. Sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Our taste buds make every meal a symphony of sensations. Now blink and you'll miss this next fact. The average blink lasts about 1/10 of a second, and we do it approximately 15 to 20 times per minute. That's a lot of time with our eyes closed, don't you think? Speaking of closing, have you ever wondered how much you sweat in a day? On average, a person can produce up to 1 liter of sweat. That's like a standard bottle of water. Remember to stay hydrated. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk bones. An adult human body is composed of 206 bones, from the tiny stirrup bone in our ear to the mighty femur, the longest bone in our bodies. And those were just a few of the incredible facts about the human body. So, there you have it. 25 unbelievable facts about the human body. From our brain's impressive storage capacity to the heart's tireless work, we've explored some truly amazing facts. Share your own incredible human facts below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content, and remember, the human body is truly a marvel of nature.